Namaskar, welcome to my YouTube channel, Knowledge on Your Tips. In this video, I will discuss about MCOM entrance test previous year questions and also some important MCQ. This video is very important for preparing common PG entrance test. Question 1. Insurance commission received by the assessee is taxable under the head capital gain, salaries, income from other sources, profit and gain of business or profession. Correct answer: income from other sources. When the price of complementary of a commodity X rises, the demand for X remain unchanged, false, rise, none of the above. Correct answer: false. Equilibrium, the slope of indifference curve is equal to slope of the budget line, smaller to slope of the budget line, greater to slope of the budget line, none of the above. Correct answer: equal to slope of the budget line. Section 246 of the Companies Act 2013 define the subsidiary company, holding company, statutory company, associate company. Correct answer: holding company. The sum of squares of deviation is least if measured from mean, variation, median, mode. Correct answer: mean. Dash is a summary of all functional budget in a capsule form. Flexible budget, functional budget, master budget, long period budget. Correct answer: master budget. Consumer price index is an example of which type of index? Simple, multiple, composite, none of the above. Correct answer: composite. Pre-acquisition profit in subsidiary company as capital profit, goodwill, revenue profit, none of the above. Correct answer: capital profit. In a make-buy decision, it is profitable to buy from outside only when the supplier price is below the firm's own fixed cost, variable cost, total cost, prime cost. Correct answer: variable cost. As per section 78, amount collected as premium on securities cannot be utilized for buyback of share, purchase of fixed asset, writing of preliminary expenses, premium payable on redemption of shares. Correct answer: purchase of fixed asset. Question 11. Who is father of accounting? Abdul Taylor, Luca Pacioli, Peter F. Drucker, Henry Fayol. Correct answer: Luca Pacioli. The major player in the Indian money market: Cooperative Bank, Payment Bank, Commercial Bank, Reserve Bank of India. Correct answer: Reserve Bank of India. In a tax, one party direct another party to make payment. Reverse letter of credit, commercial bills of exchange, commercial bills of trade, none of the above. Correct answer: commercial bills of exchange. IFRS stand for Indian Financial Reporting Standard, International Financial Reporting Standard, Indian Financial Reporting System, none of the above. Correct answer: International Financial Reporting Standard. Speculator is a person who evaluates the performance of company, who use his own fund only, who is willing to take high risk for high return, all of the above. Correct answer: who is willing to take high risk for high return. Consignee account is a nominal account, personal account, real account, none of the above. Correct answer: nominal account. Margin of safety equal to actual sales minus break-even sales, sales minus contribution, sales minus fixed cost, none of the above. Correct answer: actual sales minus break-even sales. A person unable to pay or settle his debt is known as solvency, poor, insolvent, none of the above. Correct answer: insolvent. Question 9. The value of reputation of firm is known as provision, goodwill, capital reserve, none of the above. Goodwill. A business may be split into various divisions and located into various places are known as department, segment, branches, none of the above. Correct answer, branches. The personnel function interested in getting more and more candidate for a position is organizing, recruitment, selection, advertisement. Correct answer, recruitment. Reorder label is dash than safety label, higher, lower, medium, fixed. Correct answer, higher. Price of product is determined in a free market by demand for the product, supply of the product, both demand and supply of product, the government. Correct answer, both demand and supply of product. The most basic level of product is called core product, central product, fundamental product, none of the above. Correct answer, core product. Planning focus on day-to-day action of work unit is corporate planning, division planning, unit planning, department planning. Correct answer, unit planning. Indian GST model has dash rate structure 3, 4, 2, 5. Correct answer, 4. The following is not a type of marketing concept: production concept, selling concept, societal marketing concept, supplier concept. Correct answer, supplier concept. The stock limited operating in India, publicly traded company, private limited companies, cooperative company, none of the above. Correct answer, public limited companies. The cost of return earning is equal to cost of equity, cost of debt, cost of bank loan, cost of term loan. Correct answer is cost of equity. Life insurance is unilateral contract, not a contract of indemnity, a conditional contract, all of the above. Correct answer, not a contract of indemnity. So, thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon in next video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for regular videos, and also share the videos because sharing is caring.